Today, I will be showing you how to extract and set up eFootball 26 on any device using the Zarchiver app. Please do make sure to stay very focused while watching this video, because if you are to make any mistake, it's not going to work. Now, simply make sure you download this app that is called Zarchiver. Once downloaded, open the app. Now, once you open the app, simply locate your PSP game file, which in this case is going to be the eFootball. Now, if you have not actually set up your PPSSPP emulator, watch any of my PPSSPP emulator videos so you can actually use that to set it up. Now, like I said, locate your game file. So you can see my game file is right here. So all I have to do, I'm going to have to tap this game file. So once I tap on it, you're going to see the extract here option. So I'm going to click on it, and it's going to start extracting each and every files that is needed. Now, as you can see, it is done extracting. So if we go into the folder, you can see there's a save data file, there's a texture file. So we'll have to move this to our original PSP folder. So let's start with the save data. So if we go inside the save data file, we're going to hold down on this folder, then we'll click on cut. Now, once we've done this, you have to locate your original PSP folder. Now, my own folder is inside the document section. So you can see PSP. I'll go to the save data and then I'll paste it in there. Then once done, I'll go back to the extracted folder, which is this one, the extracted game folder. So we're already done with save data. So we'll move to textures. So you can see there's a lot of textures in here for me to move. So I'm going to be moving each and everything in here as well. So I'll cut it. Then after that, go to my original PSP folder. Then I'll paste it in there. Alright, I'm done with that. Now moving on, we'll go back to the extracted game folder. Now we have already moved the save data and the texture. So you see this main eFootball folder at the top. We're not going to go inside. We're going to move the entire folder. This eFootball folder, we're going to move the entire thing. So we're going to click on cut. Go to our original PSP folder. Please make sure you are focused, or else you are going to make mistake and it's not going to work. Then document PSP. This time we're going to put it in the game section. So we'll paste it in here, and that's it. Now simply open your PPSSPP emulator. So normally it's not going to see the game because it does not know where you actually kept the game file. So you have to click on browse. So once you click on browse, simply show it where you kept the game file. So I kept it in document section, PSP game. So I'll click on use this folder and allow. Now you can see that the game is there and is ready to play. Now you are going to need some settings to get the best FPS and performance on any device. I already have a dedicated video for that, and I'm going to recommend it at the end of this video. So all you have to do, just stick to the end of this video so you can have access to that to get the best settings. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.